shut is giving the problem, so it is not working. So we have seen in the last 2-3 lectures that mass transfer with chemical reaction, and how because of the reaction there will be the more transfer of the particular component, and having the various regimes in the sense that having the fast instantaneous reaction, fast reaction, then intermediate and slow reaction, and the reaction is maybe start with the interface, maybe in the liquid film or maybe in the bulk. So this we can quantify and decide it based on the Hatta number, and say that E factor that we use it, capital E, that is the enhancement factor, which is nothing but the function of again Hatta number, the ratio of rate with a reaction and rate without chemical reaction. So that we have seen it. Now we have this rate expression, which is the function of gas film resistance, liquid film resistance mainly, and your bulk, is it, where the bulk reaction. Now this particular rate expression, how we can use it to find out the what type of the type of the contactor with their respective volumes. So like if you take the straightforward, say that's CRE1 for a homogeneous reactions, how you can get this one? For this one, what does it give? Is it correct? Or it will be like this. There may be some CA0 or FA0 or these values. Is it? So you have to rearrange it. You can get it VFR in function of this one, and here it will be the delta XA upon minus RA. Okay, is it? So RA will be the rate. Similarly, in our this particular case also, having the mass transfer with chemical reaction, it has towers and tanks. Generally we use the towers in the sense kind of a plug flow reactor, and tanks will be the agitated tanks. So various parameters that may be considered for deciding this type of the reactor is like gas to liquid volume ratios, then interfacial area, mass transfer coefficients, what kind of the driving force it is there, properties of course for the both the reactants, solubility, type of the reactant, and location of the main resistor. So based on this, we may decide the type of contactor, and then we are going for the volume of contactor. So different type of the towers and contactors, towers and tanks you can see in the figures also, like say that the spray tower, irrigated pack bed, plate tower, stage bubble towers, static mixers, bubble tank, and agitated tank. So these two are coming in the tank category, where the agitation, and here without agitation, bubble tank. static mixture, spray tower, etc. So flow may be different in this one. So different categories like flow will be like one maybe in the plug flow, one maybe in the mix flow, or both will be the mix, or both will be the plug. So these kind of the combinations you can see in this particular chapter. So again here the few nomenclature. If you recall your absorption studies that you have done it in your mass transfer. So various parameters or standard nomenclature, we can say that ACS. Earlier we have seen S, we have used it for a surface area. So ACS is cross section area of the column. I think I will not go for this one. While whenever we will use this particular one, I will explain this thing. That will be better for the understanding. Okay. That will be better. Instead of mentioning here, it is better to be. So now we have seen the overall expression for the straight mass transfer, that is no reaction. That means there are two resistances, that is Ra 4 prime is equal to 1 upon KAGA plus HA KALA. You should remember these equations. Is it having the unit of mole per unit meter cube of contactor, that means contactor volume, and it should be per unit time. Is it? Okay. So this was the, and HA has the unit what? Pascal per meter cube liquid upon mole. Is it? This one will be Pascal, units of the pressure, meter cube liquid, because it is a concentration term with mole. So this was the equation for state mass transfer. Now, if there is a kind of a plug flow, if you take the tower, so tower is there. So of course liquid will come from the top. Gas. So it is a gas in plug and liquid in plug with counter current. Okay, for the straight mass transfer. Is it? So how you will write down the balance equation? Of course, A lost by gas is equal to A gain by liquid. Is it? This will be the balance equation. And this will be is equal to minus Ra dVr. This is per unit volume of the reactor for a small section of the. So Fg, I will come to nomenclature. Okay, Fg into dy. Fg into dy. So here now I am putting the nomenclature. Fg representing what? Remember here, don't confuse yourself. It is upward molar flow rate, okay, of inert gas, inerts in the gas, remember, which is soluble in the liquid. So Fg representing upward molar flow rate of inerts in the gas. So capital Fg. So definitely this Y will be what we are talking about. It should be the per unit moles of inert. So this particular Ya is what? Moles of A per unit moles of inert in gas, is it? Which is nothing but what? Moles, we can define it by the partial pressure Pa upon Pu, capital U. U representing the inert. Similarly, this will be right. This Fg is equal to Ya. Fg prime Pu upon Y. And here Fg prime is total gas flow rate, okay, including, and this pi representing what? Total pressure of gas, is it? So similarly, we can write it for the liquid. FL dxa. So now FL will be what? From this one, FL will be downward molar flow rate of inerts in the liquid, but that inerts may be different than the gas. Again, that it has the moles per second, is it? Similarly, this XA, moles of A per unit moles of inert in liquid. So this will be defined as Ca upon Cu, is it? And this FL will be FL prime Cu upon Ct. Cu represents concentration of inert, Ct representing the concentration, total concentration, FL prime representing the total molar flow rate, including inert plus A. Okay, so this is the nomenclature. And this we have written is equal to minus Ra dVr. Now further we can simplify this 1, 2, 3. So if I take, this is the one term, this is the second one, this is the third one. So what you can take from 1 and 2 and 1 and 3 and 2 and 3, you can easily get it. VR is equal to what? Integration of inert flow rate will be constant. So Fg Ya1 Ya2 dya upon minus Ra 4 times prime. Or if you take it A here outside, so it will be Ra double prime only. This will be 3, 4 Ya or equal to Fl Xa1 Xa2 Pxa minus Ra. Is it? Now, if you are taking this double prime, then A will be here, small a will be in the denominator. Now, further simplifications, if you see here, for this Ya is equal to what? Ya is equal to PA upon PU. So it will be the dPA upon, so this Ya is equal to PA upon PU. So dYA is equal to dPA upon PU. And PU will nothing but what? Pi minus PA. Is it? Or Fg can be replaced in terms of the total. So these way you will have the state mass equation. Now for this particular equation, if I write here Ra double prime, small a will be here. Okay. Now for the dilute system, if there will be the dilute in the sense small concentration. So this is the equation that and Ra is equal to what? KAG, or simply you can write it this Ra double 4 times prime is equal to what you are writing. If you recall your equations, it will be KAG PA minus PAI and it will be KALA CAI minus CA, is it? So this was the equations. Also from these 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, you can write down the balance equation at any instant. Say that Fg into Ya2 minus Ya1, which is equal to FL into XA2 minus XA1, which can be further simplified by substituting this Y2 and XA2 in terms of the PA and CA and simplify it, is it, for the dilute system. We are coming for that one, dilute system. That means CA is far less than total concentration. Similarly, this PA is less than total pressure. Now we know that Fg is equal to Fg prime Pu upon Pa, and Fl is equal to Fl prime. This is total. This is for inert. Okay. Oh, this is something wrong. It should be pi, and it will be Cu upon Ct. Is it? So total flow rate, and this is for the inert flow rate. When we have this condition, so definitely this will be Pu will be approximating to pi, and similarly Cu will be approximating to C2. So simplifying this one, Fg is it. So again, that if you recall that mass balance equation, we are writing Fg dPA. Instead of Y, we can directly write dPA upon pi is equal to FL dCA by CT, and this is equal to minus RA dVL. Okay. So if you simplify it, direct equations will be Pa2 minus Pa1 is equal to FL, then pi will be here, Fg Ct, Ca2 minus Ca1, and that is from these two. Is it? So this will be the equation for dilute system. Is it? So now this RA from this one, VR, which is nothing but the reactor volume, is equal to what? Height of the reactor into cross section area. H representing the height of the reactor, and this is the cross section. So VR, we can write it as VR by using 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. What we can write it? Fg upon pi, this integration of dP A upon minus Ra prime, or is equal to FL upon Ct dCA by minus R. So you can see that this is somewhat similar to our homogeneous that you have studied in the. Always this will become in the denominator with the some FA0 something terms will come XA likewise or CA terms. Is it? Now this RA, okay, this RA will be what? Gas will be for the dilute systems, gas will be in the equilibrium with the liquid and liquid will be in the equilibrium with gas. So in this case, this PA star, we can say the equilibrium partial pressure will be the HACA and similarly CA star will be the PA upon HA. So this Fg upon pi into mass transfer coefficient, that is overall mass transfer coefficient, Kag will come, and this, that is overall mass transfer coefficient, along with the small a will be PA1 to PA2 and it will be the dPA, PA minus PA star. And here this Kag will be like 1 upon Kag plus HA KAL. This will be the Kag. For this particular one, it will be FLCT K, capital K, remember here, LA will be CA1, CA2, dPA, CA star minus CA, which is in equilibrium with the PA. And this KL here is equal to 1 upon HA into Kag plus 1 upon. So based on liquid film, based on by considering this values. So this will be the equations, and this you have studied in your mass transfer, and it is a kind of a just revision. Now this is for the straight mass transfer, counter current operation, and plug flow. That may be in tower. So co-current, only the difference will be of sign. So easily you can write that equations also. Now we'll see for the mass transfer with chemical reaction and how we can write it for the plug flow reactor. That is it, tower. So we are going for mass transfer with chemical reaction, but not very slow reaction. because for slow reaction it will be very easy, that expression Ra is equal to K Ca Cb Fl. So mass transfer, but not very slow reaction. So that means reaction is such a fast, but not that much slow to enter A in the main body of the liquid. So A gas will transfer to liquid plus B, which is already in the B liquid, giving the product which is in the liquid. Okay. So for such cases where say that rate is fast enough, so that there is no unreacted A enters in the so this will be the condition that we are saying. So not much smaller than the unity. Okay, that means this condition is not applicable. So other than this, we are going that surface area is the controlling. That means bulk liquid is not controlling. Surface area may be controlling. So now take the case of that plug flow reactor. Set time. Yeah, I think almost it is 1. So we can stop here because of this mobile problem. We started late, but no issue. We'll continue this one section, that mass transfer, not very slow reaction in plug flow, that is tower. Both are in the plug and plug. Okay. So I just forgot to send you the link for that Google form for submission of the your assignment number 3. So maybe today I will just send it that Google form. Okay. I hope that you have already prepared your assignment number 3. Okay. So you may leave, no problem. If you have anything, you can ask now.